Yes guys, it's your boy Roman and I'm here again with another video. And this week it's a special video because I have an unboxing to do. And I'm super excited and I hope you guys will be too. Alright, so here's the package. I just got it from Amazon and do you guys like my glasses? I like them too, thank you. If you like my glasses, just give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, good. Okay. Now, okay, I'm not delicate. Hold on, let me just try. Do I comment on the packaging? Oh my, the packaging was so secure. I know that my parcel is safe. I don't know. Okay, let's go here again. Oh, a plastic bag. Extra security. Extra durable. Extra elastic. Yeah. Okay, good. Let's yeah, okay. Woo. Alright, I hope my camera will focus when I show you guys this because I didn't take a picture before since I just opened it. So it says magnetic building blocks. Brain up, bring fun. And this, guys, is by Blue Smart. Yes, they're the ones who sent me this package. So thank you, Blue Smart. I really appreciate it. Merci beaucoup. Alright, so, arigato gozaimasu. They know I said that. Alright, good. So, let's take this, hold on, let's put it here. I hope you guys are able to see everything. Alright, so, first of all, I can tell you something for kids, but you can see that I'm a big kid myself. I have my little moose here. I think this is a moose. Or raccoon, and I have my little ball here, this little thing that my blob. So I really like toys. Anyways, let's make the kid inside live again. Yes. Okay, I'm opening it. I'll try and shift my camera angle just a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. So you will not be seeing my face, unfortunately. I know you like to see my face, you love to see my face. So I'll just simply switch to my table and try and build what I'm building. I'll put a timer so you can see how long it takes because I don't know how long this will take. Alright, so let's go. Alright guys, so this is a recording I made after the video because I left it out and I didn't want the video to be too long. Hence, I'm just putting it in the part where everything is going fast. Okay, good. So throughout this video, I relied on my creativity to create the different constructs that I did. However, there's actually a manual that came with the package. So you could use it to guide what you're doing. You can build a Ferris wheel, a car, a plane, a butterfly, a frog. There are many things you can build. I'll just put a small image here so will not distract you too much from what you're seeing. And something else to note, there's a 1-year warranty that comes with the product. So if you have any problems, you can contact customer service or the technician department. It's actually there. I'll put a picture right here too. So with that said, guys, let's go on, let's have fun and... Alright, so hey guys, it has officially been 40 minutes and I won't lie, that was super tiring, but it was also pretty fun. Alright, good. So here I was trying to make a house and this is what came out of it. Then I have this spinning thing, this wheel, I don't know, see this? I have no idea what this is. Maybe it's an umbrella. Then I have this. I have no idea what this is. It's something very creative. And then I have this, which is a car. So, oh, you can move it, right? Alright guys, so I would definitely recommend magnetic blocks for children, and also that there be an adult to supervise a child and teach a child to spell, to count, to deal with fruits and so forth. Because as I said, I have a lot of things, I don't know what they are, It actually takes a creative mind, and this is a great activity to build that creative side of your child's personality. I just used one learning example here where I spelled the color pink. I'll put a picture somewhere. Then I'm trying to teach my child math. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 9 minus 5, you need another equal sign here. And then you have this question mark. The child will have to search for the correct number. So you'd need multiple pieces so the child could actually work out the math correctly. And as I mentioned, spelling here, the child could spell his or her name. Well, in this case, it's a she. A, sh, s, sh, h, l, e. Ashley. So you can see it's a great trick to teach children to spell, alright? And with that said, guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you've not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscription button and tap the notification bell so you may also be notified when I make an upload. With that said, see you next time. Ciao, ciao. Let that child within just explode. Release the child within. Do you have a favorite childhood game? I'm not speaking about video games. I'm more on the side of action figures, toys, or puzzles. If you do, or if you had a childhood game, favorite game, leave it down in the comment, and then it'll be cool to see what it is.